Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video series, discuss about 2D coordinate system, JEE Mains, level 1 pattern type questions. Here, the question number 19, the centroid and two vertices of a triangle are 4, minus 8, minus 9, 7, 1, 4. Then the area of the triangle is. Here the four options are given. In this question, centroid G is given. Centroid of triangle. Centroid G equal to 4, minus 8. And two vertices are given. Triangle vertices. Let A minus 9, 7 and B 1, 4. Here in this question, this is a triangle ABC, centroid G is given, this is a triangle AGB. Here to find the area of triangle ABC, here to find the area of triangle ABC. Here one concept, in a triangle ABC, G is the centroid, here three triangles are formed. Triangle ABG and a triangle BGC and a triangle AGC. Area of triangle AGB equal to area of triangle BGC equal to area of triangle AGC equal to 1/3 of the area of triangle ABC. Here in the question, to find area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC equal to 3 times area of triangle AGB or 3 times area of triangle BGC or 3 times area of triangle AGC. Here G the centroid, A and B are the two vertices of a triangle. In this question, to find the area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC equal to 3 times area of triangle AGB. Here the vertices, this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, this is x3, y3. Here to find to apply the formula 3 into 1 by 2 modulus of x1 minus x2, x2 minus x3, y1 minus y2, y2 minus y3. These are the vertices. This is the formula. 3 by 2. Here apply the values. x1 4. x2 minus 9, 4 minus of minus 9 plus 9, 4 plus 9 13, x2 minus x3, minus 9 minus 1, minus 9 minus 1 minus 10, minus 10, y1 minus y2, y1 minus 8, y2 minus 7, minus 8 minus 7 minus 15. Next y2 minus y3, 7 minus 4 3. Here apply ABCD, AD minus BC form. 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 13 3s 39, 13 3s 39. Here 10 into 15, minus it minus plus 150, minus 150. Minus 150 plus 39, 10 minus 9, 1. Here 4, 4 minus 3, 1. 111. 3 by 2 into 111. Multiply with 3. 3 into 111. 333 by 2. 333 by 2 divided by 2. 2 ones 2. 2 6 12. 2 6 12. Here 0.25 10. 166.5 square units. 166.5 square units. This is the second option correct. Here 2 divided by 333. 2 ones 2. 3 minus 2 1. 13. 2 6 12. 13 minus 12 1. 3 6 12. Here 1. To put a point here 0. 2 5s 10. Then the area of triangle ABC is equal to 166.5 square units. Second option is correct. Question number 20. If the points K, 2K, 3k comma 3k and 3 comma 1 are collinear, then k equal to, here the four options are given. Let first point, let a equal to k comma 2k, b equal to 3k comma 3k and c equal to 3 comma 1. Here the 3 points are collinear. That means A, B, C lie on same line. If A, B, C lie on same line, the collinear conditions, so many conditions are there to apply area of triangle ABC equal to 0 or to take slopes are equal. Here to apply slopes are equal. Slope of AB equal to take slope of BC. To find slope of AB, slope of AB, slope of AB, x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, 3k minus 2k, k. Here 3k minus k, 2k. Here directly apply 3k minus 2k, k, 3k minus k, 2k, k get cancelled. This is 1 by 2. Next to find slope of BC. Slope of BC. 1 minus 3k, 1 minus 3k by 3 minus 3k. Here given points collinear. Given points are collinear. If the slopes are equal, slope of AB equal to, slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Here slope of AB 1 by 2, slope of BC 1 minus 3k by 3 minus 3k. Here 1 cross multiply with 3 minus 3k, 1 into 3 minus 3k, 3k, 3 minus 3k, 2 is cross multiply with 1 minus 3k. 3 minus 3k is equal to, cross multiply with 2, 2 into 1, 2, 2 minus 3k, 6k, minus 6k. Here the k terms are one side, constant terms are other side. Here minus 6k will becomes plus 6k, 6k minus 3k equal to plus 3 becomes minus 3, 2 minus 3, 6k minus 3k, 3k, 2 minus 3 minus 1, k equal to minus 1 by 3. This is the answer, k equal to minus 1 by 3. Second option is correct. Question number 21. The points 5 comma minus 3, minus 3 comma minus 2, 9 comma 12, 17 comma 11 taken in order form A. Here the four options are given. Here first point, let A equal to 5 comma minus 3, B equal to minus 3 comma minus 2, C is equal to 9 comma 12, D is equal to 17 comma 11. Here to find these four vertices form which quadrilateral? First to find length of AB, apply distance between 2 point formula. 5 minus of minus 3 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3 equal to 8, 8 square 64, minus 3, minus of minus 2 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, minus 1 whole square plus 1. This result equal to square root of 65. Next to find BC. Next to find BC, square root of minus 3 minus 9. Minus 3 minus 9. Minus 3 minus 9 minus 12. Minus 12 whole square 144. Here minus 2 minus 12 minus 14. Minus 14 whole square. 14 squares minus in negative form, minus positive. 14 squares 14 into 14. 14 fours 56. 5, 14 ones 4. 14 ones 14. 14 plus 5 196. Here minus 2 minus 12 minus 14 whole square equal to 196. Here 6 4 10. 6 4 10. 9 1 10 14. 1 2 3 340. Square root of 340. AB length, BC length. If AB length and BC length are different, this diagram represent a parallelogram or rectangle. parallelogram or rectangle. Suppose AB length and BC length side are equal, it represents rhombus or square. Next, to check the diagonals, alternate vertices, to find AC length and BD length. AC length and BD length. Length of AC length 5 minus 9, 5 minus 9 minus 4 whole square 16. Next, minus 3 minus 12 minus 15 whole square 225, 15 15s 15 5 75, 15 1s 15, 15 7 22, 225 plus 225, 225 plus 16, 6 5 11, 2 3 4, 241, square root of 241. Next, to find alternate vertices BD length minus 3 minus 17 minus 20 whole square 400, minus 3 minus 17 minus 20 whole square 400. In a square, negative is also positive. Minus 2 minus 11 minus 13 whole square 169, 13 13s 13 3 39, 13 1s 13, 13 plus 3 16, 169. 400 plus 169, root of 569. Here AC does not equal to BD. If the diagonals are not equal, the adjacent sides are different, then the quadrilateral is parallelogram. Answer, parallelogram is correct. Question number 22. The points minus 1 comma 5, minus 2 comma minus 3, 5 comma 1, 6 comma 9 taken in order are the vertices of A. Here the four options are given. First point, let A is equal to minus 1 comma 5, B equal to minus 2 comma minus 3, C equal to 5 comma 1, D equal to 6 comma 9. Here the vertices of quadrilateral is given. To find the nature of the quadrilateral, you have to find first AB length. AB, square root of minus 1 minus of minus 2 plus 1. Minus 1 minus of minus 2 plus 2. 2 minus 1 1. 1 square 1. 5 minus of minus 3 plus 3. 5 plus 3 8. 8 square 64. Root 65. Next one, BC. To find BC length, minus 2 minus 5 minus 7 whole square 49. Here minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 whole square 16. 49 plus 16 is equal to root 65. Here to observe that the adjacent sides are equal. AB equal to BC. Here rhombus or square is correct. Next, to find the alternate vertices, AC and BD are the diagonals. AC, to find length of AC minus 1 minus 5 minus 1 minus 5 minus 6 whole square 36. Next, 5 minus 1 4 square 16. Here 6 12 3 4 5 52. AC length is 52. Next, to find BD. These are the diagonals. BD, minus 2 minus 6 minus 2 minus 6 minus 8 whole square 64. Minus 3 minus 9 minus 12 whole square 144. Here to add 64 plus 144, 4 4 8, 6 4 10, root 208. To observe that here the diagonals are not equal. AC does not equal to BD, but adjacent sides are equal. AB length root 65, BC length root 65. Then the quadrilateral is rhombus. Rhombus is the correct answer. In the second one is the correct answer. Rhombus. Next, question number 23. If 3 comma 5 be the distance between the parallel sides and 30 degree the angle between the two adjacent sides of a parallelogram, then its area. Here the four options are given. From the diagram, this is a parallelogram. Here ABCD is a parallelogram. Parallel sides distance means here adjacent sides are parallel. AB and DC parallel. This distance is given. This distance is P1. This distance is given P1 equal to 3. Next, AD and BC. These are parallel. This distance is equal to P2. P2 is given 5. Next, angle between adjacent sides. These are adjacent sides. This angle is given 30 degree. This is theta. This angle is given 30 degree. Theta equal to 30 degree. Here the simple formula, area is equal to if the parallel sides length is given and angle between theta is the adjacent sides, then area is equal to P1 P2 by sin theta. This is the formula. Here P1 is equal to 3, P2 is equal to 5 sin 30 degree. 3 into 5 15 sin 30 degree 1 by 2. It is reciprocal. 15 into 2 30. It is 30. This area is 30 square units. 30 square units. Third option is correct. Question number 24. The vertices of a triangle are 2, 1, minus 2, minus 2, 1, 0. Then the sum of squares of the lengths of the medians of the triangle is. Here the four options are given. In a triangle, vertices are given. Let A equal to 2, 1, B equal to minus 2, minus 2, and C equal to 1, 0. These are the vertices. These are the vertices of the triangle. Here one concept. This is a triangle ABC. Here AD, BE and CF are the medians of the triangle. Median, the definition of median, the line joining from vertex and midpoint of opposite side is called median. Here one relation, AD square plus BE square plus CF square equal to 3 by 4 AB square plus BC square plus AC square. AB, BC and AC are the sides of the triangle. Here vertices are given. Capital A 2, 1, B minus 2, minus 2, C 1, 0 to find AB length. 2 minus of minus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 4. 4 square 16. 1 minus of minus 2 plus 2. 1 plus 2 3. 3 square 9. 1 minus of minus 2 plus 2. 1 plus 2 3 square 9. 16 plus 9 25. Root 25 equal to 5. Next to find BC. BC length minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Minus 3 whole square 9. Minus 2 minus 0. Minus 2 whole square 4. 9 plus 4 root 13. Next to find AC. Square root of 2 minus 1 1. 1 minus 0 1. Root 2. 1 plus 1 root 2. Here to find AD, BE and CF be the medians. Here the relation AD square plus BE square plus CF square equal to 3 by 4 AB square plus BC square plus AC square. This is the formula. Here AB square 25. 5 square. AB equal to 5. 5 square 25. 25. BC root 13 whole square 13, square root cancelled, plus AC root 2 whole square 2. Here 13 plus 2 15, 25 plus 15, 5 5 10, 2 3 4 40, 3 by 4 into 40, 4 ones 4 tens, 3 into 10 30. the square of the length of the medians AD square plus BE square plus CF square equal to 30. The correct option is third one. Question number 25. The midpoints of the sides BC, CA, AB of triangle ABC are -1, 3, -2, 4, 2, -5. Then the length of the median through vertex A is, four options are given. Here the diagram, to observe this diagram, ABC is a triangle. In this question, BC side midpoint, let it be D. D value equal to -1, 3 is given. Next, CA. CA side midpoint is E. BC midpoint D. D value is given -1, 3. Let it be E the midpoint of AC. The value equal to -2, 4. And AB. Let F is the midpoint of AB. The value equal to 2, -5. Here D, E, F are the midpoints of the sides BC, CA and AB. To find the length of the median through vertex A, this AD length is the length of the median through vertex A. To find length of AD, here to find the capital A vertex. Here midpoints are given. D equal to -1, 3. E is equal to -2, 4. F equal to 2, -5. To find capital A, the opposite side midpoint is D. Here to find capital A, E plus F, opposite side midpoint subtract, E plus F minus D. E plus F minus D. In E, the x coordinate is -2. In F, the x coordinate is +2. In D, the x coordinate -1. Here minus +1. Next, y coordinate. In E, y coordinate 4. In F, y coordinate -5, plus into minus -5. In D, y coordinate is 3. -2 plus 2 get cancelled. Here 1. -5 -3. -8. -8 plus 4. -4. This is the length of, this is the vertex A. A equal to 1, 4. Here to find length of the median through A. Length of the median through A is equal to length of AD. To find distance between AD. A is equal to 1, 4. D equal to capital D equal to -1, 3. To apply the distance between 2 points, 1 minus of -1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 square 4. Next -4 -3 -7 whole square 49. 4 plus 49 53, square root of 53. Here the square root of 53, second option is correct. 26th question, capital A -1, 3, B 1, -1, C 5, 1 are the vertices of a triangle ABC. Then the length of the median through the vertex A is, here the four options are given. In a triangle, the vertices are given capital A, capital B, capital C. Capital A equal to -1, 3 given in question, B equal to 1, -1, C equal to 5, 1. Here in this question, to find length of median through vertex A, the length of median vertex A is a line joining from midpoint of opposite side. Let D equal to midpoint of BC. Let D equal to midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC. If x1, y1 and x2, y2 are the vertices of B and C, midpoint x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Here 1 plus 5, 6, 6 by 2, -1 plus 1, 0, 0 by 2. 2 ones, 2 threes. 3 comma 0. 0 by any number is 0. Here to find length of median through vertex A. Length of median through vertex A equal to length of AD. Equal to length of AD. D. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 4. Minus 4 whole square 16. 3 minus 0, 3 square. 3 square 9. 16 plus 9 root 25. Root 25 value equal to 5. Then the correct answer is fourth option 5. Okay. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. And also, if you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section. Next video also discuss about 2D coordinate system, JEE Mains objective type questions, 11-1 pattern type questions.